Voice wake. Let us go deep. This is wake word activation, the thing that lets a user start a session by speaking without typing or clicking a button. So, where does it run? On a node with a microphone, the macOS Minubar app, the iOS app, Android does not currently support automatic voice wake, only manual mic capture on Android. So if you want true wake word activation, you really need a Mac or an iPhone or an iPad in the picture. That is just the reality today. The configuration. VoiceWake uses a single global trigger list owned by the gateway. The list lives at ~dot OpenClaw /settings /voicewake.json. The shape, it is an object with a triggers field, which is an array of trigger phrases. Simple, default triggers, 3 of them out of the box. The strings OpenClaw, Claude, and computer. You can replace, extend, or override that list to fit your usage. If your name is similar to one of the defaults, swap it for something less likely to false trigger. The protocol. The gateway exposes commands called voicewake.get and voicewake.set. The set command takes a triggers array. The gateway then broadcasts a voicewake.changed event to every connected node, so the new trigger list propagates immediately. Pretty clean, per platform implementation. Let me walk through each macOS. The Minubar app uses a runtime called VoiceWake Rumtake. It listens through the microphone, runs continuous keyword spotting on device, and fires when one of the triggers matches. On device, that word matters. iOS uses VoiceWake Manager, same idea, optimized for iOS. Background listening can be limited by iOS power management. So, on iOS, the wake activation works best when the app is in the foreground or the device is charging. Just something to be aware of. Android, the wake word path is not currently supported. You can still use voice on Android through manual mic capture, but you have to tap the mic button first. A practical note. False triggers, those are the main pain point. Honestly, if your trigger is too short, like Claw or Open Ambient Conversation, can fire it. If your trigger is too distinctive, like OpenClaw bot, it works well but feels less natural to say. The default computer trigger is a nod to Star Trek, and it is a reasonable balance. Another practical note, wake word recognition runs on the node, not in the cloud. So, your audio is not streamed to a server until after the wake word fires. After wake, the actual conversation can use any TTS provider you have configured, cloud or local, your call, sensitivity tuning. Some platforms expose a sensitivity slider. Lower means more confident matches required, fewer false triggers, but more missed activations. Higher means more permissive matching, fewer missed activations, more false triggers. Start in the middle, adjust based on your environment. Alright, in the next lesson, we look at talk mode in detail. See you there.